vary based on the size of this box. The captain shears won't actually be big enough for a butt, but we shall see. Alright, before I even go too far with this, I have some concerns about the butt size. Alright, it fits me. It's really comfortable. Alright, I gotta go make my husband sit on it. Yep, it's too small. Okay, kind of thought this would happen. It's alright. It's Amazon Prime. I can return it. For my husband, who is 6'4" and 250 pounds, it was too short, too narrow, and not tall enough in the back. None of the dimensions fit him. But that's okay. Now I know. And I will put this all back together and try again. Yeah, I mean, even this existing bed, which I want to make bigger, is bigger than these two chairs. So I now know better. Go back and do some more searches. One that is get set that is the right size. But bummer.